Windy tonight at past 9 o'clock p.m. at Canada, Saskatchewan. It's windy, see, with a little bit thunderstorm, cloudy, dark, pink. So near in the house from my exercise place, shooting place. There's a possible 10% or to 50% or 80% raining today, tonight, until tomorrow before starting fall season. So 1 week, more than 1 week, the summer is done. So we are in a Port Street, along Port Street, close to the 7-Eleven house. So it's no more too much vehicle passing in the house. So as you can see, it's cold. So from that place, that light, that is my basketball court with a cell site. Okay, near in the house. So I'm glad we have a happy another place. The 24 hours light from Port Street. Okay, so it's good to stand by at the vehicle or in the parking or in the front of the house in the terrace. So it's safe. Okay, cool. Can relax inside, outside the house. So that's the weather forecast for today. It's right. So that's all, guys. Hopefully, this content is you like it. A tips if you have a some tables project like me, a collection at the back. I used to cover it with tarpaulin, okay, with my resting, with my project. We need to reassemble after the weather is good and after my tools is ready here in the parking lot. So that's all for now. It's dark. So that's all, guys. Hope you like this content, the weather forecast at Canada, Saskatchewan weather forecast. Okay, so this is a tips how to prepare. Was there's a little bit thunderstorm. You see, flashing with cloudy, windy, possible rain. Okay, so that's all, guys. So hope you like it. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video near in Port Street. Okay, so that's all, guys. I'm happy to be here. Okay, that's all, guys.